Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. Hope everyone had a good weekend so far. Everybody is safe. It is Saturday the 24th. We made it. Weekend is almost over. And you guys can take advantage of Amazon Prime shipping. We're going to get something good in this box. And you guys can get one at a low cost. All you got to do is click on the link down below. And you guys can get one of these. And it is the NOVOO USB-C hub multifunction USB-C adapter. Bada boom. Here's all the good stuff on the back. This is a paid for video, so much appreciated to NOVOO. And they're on Amazon Prime. Here's all the good stuff. HDMI, 1080, 1080i, 720, 4K, 2K, USB 3.0, SD and TF card readers. Tons of good stuff this thing does. So, works on iPhones, Androids, and all that good stuff for your techie needs. And, drop you guys down a little. There we go. NOVOO. Open this thing up. Cut time. Alright. Oh, missed one. There we go. Oh, maybe not. You know what? There we go. We got it. There we go. Empty. Boom. And we get the manual. And here she comes. Bada boom. And there's a USB right here. Plug that in. HDMI. Right there. And we got the USB, SD card, TF reader, and HDMI right there. So, pretty cool. Hold on one sec. And this will also extend your mirror play. You can hook up your iPad, your iMacs, your Macs, sorry about that, to your TV. You can do the mirror with a resolution of 4K up to, and really cool. And then you can just hook up the USBs to charge, memory card to upload. So this is definitely a nice little travel size, nifty little gift to somebody. And all you gotta do, if you guys want to purchase one, click on the links down below. Get this early out to you, and you guys be safe. So thank you guys at NOVOO, and you guys have a great weekend. See ya.